From the shoes in our closet to the ride across town, the everyday products and services we know and love have a carbon footprint. In fact, every time we turn on our lights, we're still adding fuel to the climate crisis. That's why we built Clearloop, to clean up one of our biggest polluters, our electricity grid. Clearloop is helping companies reclaim their carbon footprint, clean up the electricity grid, and expand access to clean energy across the U.S. We're building solar projects and investing in American communities otherwise getting left behind. Because we fundamentally believe that the environmental, health, and economic benefits of clean energy should reach all corners of our country, period. At Clearloop, we're enlisting brands big and small to help be part of the ray of sunshine that rebuilds our economy by turning everyday purchases into clean energy. Now get in the loop. Together, we'll make sunnier days ahead.